Hi, here's a look at the market for Thursday, January the 21st, 2010. Well, at eMiniDayTrader, of course, we like to use the market profiles. And what we're looking at here, this is today's regular trading hours profile, and this is yesterday's, and the one in between here is overnight. And it also includes the volume profile on each one. That's over here, and of course, each one also has a lettered market profile. We had mentioned that if the market would hold below 27 for any period of time, that would be a very bearish development. The market opened around 35 and had a quick sell-off, quickly getting below 27, so our preference was for the short side. And as you can see, the market ended up with a pretty heavy down day and a pretty bearish close as well. Once the market had held below 27, it really did look pretty bearish. Of course, yesterday, once the market had held below the 37, 38 area, that was also a barrier. And if you notice here in the overnight session right here, the market only extended from the previous day's high by 3 ticks. And that was a pretty important area. That was right about in here, 37.50 area. So that we knew that was good resistance, as we had mentioned yesterday, and then the next one down around 27. So for the market not to be able to hold above here was certainly, going into today, not a bearish or not a bullish development, I should say. So when the market spent most of the overnight here, open in here, and had a good sell-off, held below 27, expectation was for more continued down. The next target down below that is 750. The market reached, I think it was 8 or 9 and change today, so it got pretty close to that. 750 is down here, and that's our next level of support. Should it get below that, then we're looking at 350 and 99. So 350 and 1099 as the next areas as support in this down move. Here's the markets just with the regular trading hours only. Of course, our very conservative way of looking at it, we only had 3 trades today, and they were all short trades. We actually had a combination trade here. We actually had 3 separate signals to get short, and unfortunately it went sideways for more than 10 minutes, so we ended up with a break even on that, even though the market did come down, have a bit of a bounce, and then additional down move. But our next time that we got short was right in here, which was nice because that one easily hit our first 2 objectives, although we were stopped at a break even on the final partial on that one. Then we had another short trade here when it bounced up for the 3rd trade today, and that moved almost 5 points in our favor. So we, on a very conservative measure, we took out 1.5 points on the final there. So we had 1, 2, 3 trades today. So unfortunately, we were break even on the first, and with our trading parameters of 4 contracts on that second trade, we were able to we had 3 points on the second trade and 4.5 points on the 3rd trade. So we ended up with a total of 750. That's right, yeah. So we ended up on the day plus 7.5 points. So at any rate, considering the day had a really big move, it was really a shame that we got stopped here at break even on this trade when very short. So because what I'm talking about here, of course, is very strict money management according to our trading system. This does not take into consideration any other types of structure that we had here that some of our traders were actually able to get on. Once this once this bar right here, you can see that was one of our supports. Once it was taken out, some of our traders got short right there for a nice down move. And then of course we were looking at that 27. So once the 27 didn't hold, you can see it came down in here. We had other traders getting short right in here as well. So there was opportunities for other trades in here, but as far as our strict system was concerned, we only had 3 trades, 1, 2, 3, for a net of 7.5 points today. Any questions or comments, give us a call. Our number's on the website, or just send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and we're expecting obviously more down on this move. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.